Hi guys, today I want to take you through how to set permanent DNS servers running Ubuntu or Debian using the resolv conf service. Now depending on the version you're running of Ubuntu, it may or may not be installed. In later versions it's probably not installed, earlier versions it will be. So what we do is we just check if it is installed and we enter that code there, sudo system control status resolv-conf.service. Pop that into the terminal. And there you see it's unit resolv-conf service could not be found, so it's not installed. Now if you got a message that says inactive dead, that means it is installed but it's not running. If you got a message that says active exited, then that means it's installed and running. But we'll presume that it isn't installed. So we'll go ahead and install that. We'll run update first to update the apt packages. Okay, so once you've updated apt, we go ahead and install. So we pop in apt install resolv-conf, no space. And it's only a small package, so it shouldn't take too long to install. Okay, so resolv-conf is now installed. So we just need to double check that it's running, because sometimes it may install without it actually enabling it or starting it. So hopefully, okay, so we've got active exited, so that means it's running. If it isn't, if you've got inactive dead, you'll need to run this code here, which is sudo system control enable resolv-conf.service, and then the same but with start. So sudo system control start resolv-conf service, and then you want to run the status line again to make sure it's actually running active and exited. Now all this code is in the description in the video, so you can use it there. Alright, so once you get the confirmation that it is installed and running, we run the head, edit the head file. Now the reason why we have to edit the head file and not resolv-conf file is because resolv-conf is rewritten at every boot time, and it's written using two files, the head file and the base file. So if whatever you put directly into resolv-conf won't stay there, so we need to edit the actual files that make it up, and the first one is the head file. So that code there on the left, we enter that, and you'll see basically an empty file with just some comments up there. Now we want to put in there our name servers, so name server, no S, and then I'll put in Google name servers, and then again and I'll put in the secondary. Okay, so just under the comments there, name server first preference, name server second preference. Then we go Control O, then enter, Control X to save. And then we need to tell resolv-conf to enable updates. So we enter sudo resolv-conf --enable -updates. As I said, the code's in the description. And then we need to tell resolv-conf to update the resolv-conf file with the U flag. And then let's check the actual resolv-conf file and see if our changes have been written. Okay, so they have. Name server first preference and second preference is our Google servers there, so that'll work fine. You can also, if you want to make absolutely sure, you can just reboot. That's just as good. So it's reasonably easy. Any questions or comments, leave them below, guys, and I'll catch you next time. Cheers.